You hold the training and the profound ability to guide people toward real transformation, yet you remain entirely unseen. It's the quiet dread of a pristine scheduling book, the silent phone, the creeping weight of doubt telling you that maybe you aren't good enough. Meanwhile, practitioners with half your talent boldly claim the spotlight, commanding thousands of followers and instantly booking out their calendars. The hard truth is that your struggle has nothing to do with your capability and everything to do with the missing bridge between your expertise and the clients actively searching for it. We tell ourselves that if we just post one more time, if we grind late into the night chasing the algorithm, a flood of new business will finally arrive. We pour hard-earned revenue into the black hole of digital advertising, watching those budgets dissolve with zero return. You are standing at a critical divide. Continue this exhausting manual hustle, or step into a highly engineered system that rewrites the rules of engagement. Top-tier professionals do not work harder than you. They deploy a perfect psychological funnel, a silent mechanism that captures attention and builds deep, unshakable trust around the clock. True marketing never begs for an audience. Instead, it deploys a hypnotic hook that commands focus and pulls prospects in effortlessly. Once that deep engagement is secured, raw automation takes the wheel. Watch as top performers completely compress weeks of tedious content creation into a single, highly efficient hour of AI-driven design. They deploy automated booking machines that handle scheduling, chase down follow-ups, and lock in paying clients without a single back-and-forth email. They cultivate highly monetized, exclusive private communities where a loyal audience is shielded from the noise and eager to invest. But mastering these invisible sales strategies requires you to step out of isolation and learn directly from the architects who built them. Meet Richard Barker and Kev Webster, two titans who engineered global empires and are ready to hand over their exact, battle-tested frameworks. There is an undeniable electricity in absorbing these strategies live, shattering your personal plateaus and networking shoulder to shoulder with driven peers who refuse to play small. And the epicenter of this transformation is fast approaching, a 2-day live intensive in London, February 27th and 28th, the year 2027. Inside that room, you will unlock the exclusive AI tools and funnel blueprints the rest of the industry will never see. But seats are strictly limited, and the window to reach this level of scale is rapidly closing. You can remain a hidden gem in the shadows, or you can secure your seat at the Hypnotic Marketing Mastery Workshop to build your empire.